So the Esp32 camera module is streaming wirelessly and I can view it in my phone via a web server. So let's see how to do this. Connect your Esp32 camera module via a MB board to your laptop or PC with a USB cable. Now open Arduino IDE app and make sure you have installed Esp32 package, and then just copy and paste the code given in my comment section link. Then turn on your phone hotspot and enter your phone hotspot name and password and just upload the code. After uploading the code, click the serial monitor here and you will see some IP address here. If you can't see anything here, just press the reset button on your camera module and yeah, you will see something like this, Wi-Fi connecting, and yeah, Wi-Fi is connected and these are the IP address. In your phone, open the Chrome and in Chrome you have to just search the exactly number like this. Just search this and then you will open a web server. As you can see, after opening that, I can see a web server here, and these are the camera controls for turning on the camera stream. So I have to press the start stream button, it is here, and after pressing it you can see it has started streaming. So now I have connected this with a power bank and let me show you how now it works. So as you can see, it is working very much good. And yeah, if you like to watch more microcontroller related videos, then you can subscribe to the Workator YouTube channel.